In today's video, we're going to make a cloud-like serving tray. Now, I've made a few mistakes during this video, and throughout it, I'm going to show you what they are. We're going to start out by cutting up a bit of ivory soap and heating it up in the microwave for a few seconds. Yes, you heard that right, ivory soap. You can make your clouds on the clay if you prefer it, but soap works just fine for me. Now you just want to mix equal parts of your resin. Make sure you're scraping the sides to mix it completely together. You don't want to see any streaks, and you want to mix your resin until it's completely clear. For this project, I'm adding a little blue resin pigment. And then I'm adding a little more because I didn't like how light the blue was. I wanted it a little darker. And that's how the blue turned out. Now this is where I made my first mistake. I made 2 cups and I'm currently pouring the second one when I should have just kept it at 1 cup. Now there's going to be too much resin for the next part, which is putting the clouds in place. You just want to take the clouds and place them into the tray, like so. Mistake number 2, I should have let the resin thicken up before I placed the clouds in, and you'll see why later. But you'll just want to continue putting the clouds in until you get it the way that you like. This is what we're looking like after we place all the clouds into the tray, and we let this cure for 24 hours. Now here I am 24 hours later, mixing the top layer and then pouring it. I don't know if you see the difference in the clouds from where we stopped yesterday, but all of the clouds I placed shifted into the center of the tray. This wouldn't have happened if I had done a smaller layer of resin and waited for it to thicken up before placing it in the clouds. Then everything would have stayed in its place. Mistake number 3 was doing mistake number 2 again. I have no idea what I was thinking this day. So here I'm just placing the handles, making sure they're even and centered. And this is how it came out. Well, I decided not to finish it, but I wanted you guys to learn from my mistakes anyway. Be patient, take your time, and also don't be afraid to start over. But this is going in the trash.